So we are live now. Okay. A very gentle good evening to all of you, my friends and ladies and gentlemen. So my name is Vaibhav and today is our first tutorial of learning chess. And in this video, I will be covering about the chessboard. How does it look like? What are ranks? What are files? How many squares are there in the chessboard? Although you know this very well, there are 64 squares, but it is my duty to tell you every single detail. Now, without getting late, let's get started. This video is going to be a little bit short because chessboard does not contain too much information to explain. So let's get started. Here we have a chessboard, and as you can see, it has 64 squares. It has 8 rows and 8 columns. There are some dark squares like this, and there are some light squares like this. Okay, now in the context of chess, rows are considered to be ranks and columns are considered to be files. So there are 8 ranks in the chessboard: 1, 2, 3, this is also included, 4, and so on up to 8. Quite good. Similarly, there are 8 files in the chessboard: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are 8 files in the chessboard. Files means column. Okay, quite good. Now each rank has a representation. Each rank has some, uh, let me flip it first. Okay, now it is easy to understand. Now each rank has a representation, each rank has a number. So rank are represented with numerical numbers, like this is rank 1, this is rank 2, this is rank 3, and so on up to rank 8. Here you can see there is 8 written. It means this is 8th rank, this is 7th rank, 6th rank, 5th rank, and this is first rank. Okay, now let me talk about files. Files also have some representation, and files are being represented with small English alphabets: A file, B file, C file, and so on up to H file. Now, this is A file, B file, C file, D file, E file, F file, G file, and H file. Quite good. So far, so good. Now, the concern is how to represent a square, like this square. If I want to move my piece on this square, now I have to represent it somehow. Now the squares are being represented with the combination of rows and columns. But while representing a square, you must have to add the column name first and then row name. For example, if I want to represent this square, what is the file? C file? Yes. And what is the row or rank? 4. So this square has a name which is C4. Similarly, all square has, let's say, this square. This is E6. This is G3. This is C7. This is B6, and so on. Now, the notations gets a little bit shifted when you are dealing with black pieces. If you have black pieces, for example, let me flip it first. Now, you have black pieces, and if you want to know this square, now this is on the D file and third rank. You have to remember when you were dealing with white side, alphabets were starting from left to right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. But when you are dealing with black pieces, alphabets get inverted. They start from right to left. That is this way. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And similarly, the same thing happens for rows. When you were dealing with white pieces, the ranks were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But when you are dealing with black pieces, these ranks also get inverted. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They start from top, they start from top to down. And when you have white pieces, they start from bottom to up. So far, so good. Now you are black pieces, and if you want to represent this square, it will be d4. Why d4? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are fourth. It is the fourth rank, and it is the fourth file. Fourth file, fourth rank. That's why this square is d4. So far, so good. Now the chessboard is almost complete. One more thing, one last thing happened. When you want to check whether the board is in the correct position or not, there is a trick. You have to remember that if the board is correct, the right square will be on the right side. Did I say right square? I'm sorry for that. The light square will be on the right side. So the trick is white on the right. So white square will be on your right hand side, and if the square is not on your right hand side, it means the board is not correctly placed. So thank you guys. This is all for today's lecture or tutorial. In today's tutorial, we saw how a chessboard looks like, how all the squares are being notified, what are chessboard notations, and all. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please do hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next lecture where I will be covering about the chess pieces. Thank you.